Hello friends, today I'm going to tell you how to create a PC virus. We will basically just create a text file and then put some script on it, and after executing that script the system will just go to shutdown. This script is not harmful at all. This will just shut down the system and nothing else will happen. It will just shut down the system unexpectedly, but it will not do any harm to your system, so no need to worry about anything. I'm just going to tell you that how basically the script, the viruses are written, the scripts of the viruses are written. So basically viruses are the instructions that we give to the computer for doing something a user does not want, or just breaking the system, or doing something which could harm the computer. So I'm just going to give you a basic intro of how a virus is created and how it is executed, and at the last I also tell you that how you can hide a virus, and at the last I will tell you how you hide a virus to look like some legitimate software or some legitimate application. For example, a user will see something like this setting. He will say that this is just a system application because it looks like this. So if he execute or someone execute this, the setting will not open. Instead, the script that the attacker has written to harm the computer will be executed. Now let us start the video without wasting any time. I'm just going to create the text file first, and then we will just write the script. Right click and create new text document, rename it. I'm just going to rename it to virus, shutdown virus. You can write any name you want. Okay, now right click it and open it. After opening the text file, write the following commands into the text file. Here shutdown command is used to basically shut down the system, and -f specifies the system to shut down. -f is basically used to shut the system forcefully, so it will not ask for any confirmation. Sometimes there are some background programs running, and this -f will just skip those warnings for the system to shut down, and it will shut down the system without any warning or without any confirmation. -t here is used to specify the time, that after how many time of running the script your system should shut down. For example, I wrote 20 here. You can write 30, 5, 10, whatever you want. And note that this 20 will be in seconds. I mean the system will shut down after 20 seconds. -c is used to basically specify the message that after executing the script, what the message should be displayed. So I wrote system is hacked. After writing the script, just go to file and save the file. Okay, now I'm closing this. Now we are going to make the script executable. Note that the extension of this particular file is .txt, and we just want to change it. For example, just right click it and go to rename, and go to txt part and rename it to bat, and press enter. It will give you a warning. Click yes. Okay, now your script is basically ready. Now your PC virus is basically ready, and when you right click and open it or double click it, the script will be executed and your system will shut down after 20 seconds. But I'm just going to do something interesting here, like if someone sees this script, and here basically we wrote shutdown virus, he will never execute this because he will know that this script is unknown to him, so he will just ignore this or will delete this or something like that. We are just going to make it something which is very known to the user or which is trustworthy for the user. So basically what I will do is make the script look like a setting app, a system setting app. So for this you have to right click this and go to create shortcut. Okay, now the shortcut is basically created. So the shortcut is created, basically here it is. Now we will play with this shortcut. Right click it, go to properties. Now here you will have different options, but we are just going to change icon. Okay, click OK and go to, you can select your favorite icon here, own icon here, whatever you want. There are many icons available. I'm just going to set this icon. Okay, click this and OK and apply this and click OK. Now our script has changed to something like setting. Another thing is that the name of the script is Shutdown virus, which is looking something unknown, unfamiliar. So basically what we will do is rename this. So rename this to just settings. Okay, click enter. Oh, now look at this. What is this? This is just a setting application. No one knows, only the hacker knows that this application or this particular icon is not settings. So let us execute this. Suppose a normal user comes, he logs into his system and he wants to change his setting, and just click this setting and goes to open. Okay, now see what would happen. Oh, the script executed here. Oh, you're about to be signed out, your system is hacked. So our system will just shut down after 20 seconds of this. The script has been executed and I'm back after restart. Do not use this logic for any unethical purpose. Hope you liked the video. Please like it and subscribe to the channel as well. And if you want any video on any specific topic, you can let me know in the comments.